Hi everybody, I'm Eugenio Tacchini, founder of DaDaBIK. I'm glad to present to you the new DaDaBIK 11 Elba. Before we get into what's new in version 11, what is DaDaBIK? DaDaBIK is a no-code, low-code platform. If you're not a coder, you can use it to build simple but powerful web applications without writing a single line of code. If you do know some PHP and JavaScript, DaDaBIK is even more powerful. Coders can use it as a low-code development platform, allowing you to focus on the code that matters. You can create very sophisticated web applications quickly and avoid repetitive coding tasks. Our online demos show examples of apps created with a no-code approach and apps created with the low-code approach. What kind of applications can you build with DaDaBIK? DaDaBIK is perfect with any data-based application with tabular reports, forms, or charts. Thousands of companies, organizations, and individuals use DaDaBIK to create internal applications, like simple data entry apps, CRMs, ERPs, help desk applications, warehouse management apps, and generic online databases. But DaDaBIK isn't just for internal applications. You can also create public applications and even embed them into a WordPress website. So let's see an example of a help desk application created with DaDaBIK without any coding. We have a results grid and responsive forms, classic master detail forms, dashboards, charts and pivot table reports, and one-click CSV or PDF exports, available on demand. How do you create an application like this with DaDaBIK? It's easy. You have three options. You can start from your own data by importing an existing database or Excel file. Start from one of the pre-made app templates which come with DaDaBIK, or start from scratch, defining your data structures in DaDaBIK itself. DaDaBIK has two frequently used no-code tools: the form configurator and the permission manager. The form configurator allows you to define every aspect of your forms, including labels, field types, validation, and many other things. The Permissions Manager allows you to define permissions for each user group. For example, you can hide a specific field from a group of users, or set the field as viewable but not modifiable. In addition to these no-code tools, you can always add your own PHP and JavaScript code as needed to define calculated fields, custom validation and formatting functions, custom buttons, or implement events-based code using hooks. The low-code approach to developing in DaDaBIK allows you to inject your own custom code without touching the DaDaBIK core code. Here is a very simple example of custom validation function, but very complex workflows are also possible with custom code. And here are some of the other features. Finally, don't forget you can embed an entire DaDaBIK application within a WordPress page. What's new in DaDaBIK 11? Some very long-awaited features, including Live Edit. For some field types, you can now edit your data by double-clicking on the results grid, without opening the record in edit mode. This makes editing operations faster when you just need small modifications. Import from Excel. DaDaBIK 11 allows importing from Excel, CSV or ODS files into an existing DaDaBIK application. The new import feature is really powerful and flexible. You can preview the data before importing it. It's very fast. Watch me import 300 rows with basically no wait time. You can easily specify and map column names to your database field names. You can set and execute transformation rules upon import, allowing you to make changes to the data for each column with custom code. The new import feature uses the normal DaDaBIK insert process, so all your form validation rules also apply to bulk imports. Synchronization. It doesn't end with importing. With DaDaBIK 11, you can even sync an existing table with an Excel, CSV or ODS file. What does this mean? DaDaBIK compares your database table against the file you choose to sync and either updates an existing record or, if no matching record exists, adds a new one. It's very flexible, allowing you to choose which set of fields DaDaBIK uses to recognize matches with existing records. As an example, for this orders table, I set DaDaBIK to use the order number and date as the unique identifier during import, because every year the order numbers restart with order number 1. If a matching record already exists, one with the same year and order number, DaDaBIK will update the existing record with the new information, rather than creating a new record. AJAX upload. File uploads are now executed asynchronously, before the form is submitted. A progress bar displays during the upload process. This whole process is now more user-friendly, especially when handling big files. Pop-up insert. DaDaBIK has long supported lookup fields, but sometimes it's helpful to add new items to your linked table quickly. For example, in this product form, when adding a new brand. Using the other field is okay, only for simple entries with just one field plus the primary key. But to add something more, you previously needed to open the brand page, add the brand, and then return to your form, perhaps having to refill several fields. With DaDaBIK 11, this process is now seamless. Click here to open a pop-up window, add your brand name, and the new item is automatically available in the lookup field. It's such a time saver. Other new features in DaDaBIK 11 include a new, more powerful maintenance mode and a new search by URL feature. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy DaDaBIK 11 Elba. Visit databik.com/demo to try it online and to buy a license. Ciao!